everyone! It is 4:13. I just finished work. It is a Saturday right now, and usually I don't work too many hours on Saturdays, but I did have a client today, and now I'm gonna go ahead and vlog my evening with my husband. It's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna go to the ice skating rink, and yeah, so come along for the adventure. Alright everyone, this is my outfit going to the ice skating rink. It is super cold outside and it's an outdoor skating rink. So I wanted to be very warm. I covered my head because, you know, just makes the ears feel warm. And come on, let's go. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I just received the package from It's Faith Time from YouTube. It is her ceramics. Eee! So I'm so excited. So when we get back, I'll show you what she made. Bye, sweetheart. She sees the light, crazy girl. So before ice skating, we're gonna have dinner here at Doppio Zero. And it's pretty much just Southern Italian cuisine. So let's go ahead. It looks super cute. So let's go ahead and have dinner. Alright, we're at our table now. And the menu is right over here, which I like because it's like handless, or what is it called? No touch menu. So we ordered the margarita pizza and an il ragu pasta. So I'm super excited. I love pasta. And yeah, it's a nice day, as you can see. And let me go ahead and show you how the food looks. But first, we did order the truffle fries. Here are the truffle fries.
I really like this place because of their fries.
Really? Interesting.
But I've had Boston pizza now.
Well, I mean, East Coast pizza is like everything in general. Have you had New York pizza before? But you went to New York. But then where did you stay in New York? New Jersey?
Jersey.
Hi everyone, we are back home now, and I'm so excited because I have a package from Faith. She is on YouTube as well as Instagram. She has her own ceramics page as well on Instagram, and she started doing pottery and ceramics, and she made this beautiful bowl, so I'm very excited to open it. I won't show you the whole box because it has my address on it, but yeah, I'm so excited. I have been loving pottery lately, and I kind of want to get into it as well. I mean, it just looks so much fun, and just imagine having such beautiful plates and mugs. That would be amazing. So, and this came all the way from Canada as well, so it came a long way. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. As you can see, it comes with a cute note about taking care of the piece. So thank you so much for this. It is so cute. It is like a little dish and with a whole bunch of strawberries, because this is my aesthetic. I love colorful things. I love pink. I love strawberries, and I love it so much. Thank you so much, Faith, for making this beautiful piece. What will be my first meal in this dish? I don't know, but I'm very excited to use it. This makes me so happy. Look how cute this is. Look at the beautiful details of this dish. It's so beautiful. You are such an amazing artist, and also it has her like initials in the back, of course. And honestly, you make me want to start pottery. Like, I think I'm going to start looking at places where I can learn how to do this. So again, her, what is it? What's her Instagram? Oh, and I just noticed she has a note here as well. I didn't even notice. Okay, but it says here, thank you so much for your continuous support, Jackie. You are such a light. Keep shining. Thank you for being you. You never fail to bring a smile to my face. And I am always inspired and encouraged by you. Love, Faith. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Faith. I love this so much. Honestly, this made my day. Thank you. And again, here is her Instagram as well if you want to look at more of her pieces. Hello, my loves. I am in bed now. Pillows are everywhere, I know. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. It was a really nice day. I'm very sleepy, even though it's only like 9:30 right now. But I'm a sleepy soul at the moment. I got my tea. Let me show you. I have my tea right over here. Oh my goodness. One of my coworkers gave me, she has a beehive in her house, and so she gave me like fresh honey. And I put this in my tea and it tastes absolutely amazing. And then I might read a little bit more of this book that I just bought, People We Meet on Vacation. So yeah, it was such a fun day. I had an amazing time ice skating, opening up my package from Faith. And now it's just time to relax, go to sleep. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye everyone.